border security forces gunned down a Pakistani intruder in the Samba sector. The intruder was gunned down by the forces while he tried to approach the BSF fences in the international border in the early hours of Wednesday. In fact, the alert troops neutralized one intruder and thwarted the infiltration attempt. The intruder was fired upon by the BSF personnel when he ignored repeated warnings and tried to sneak from across the border.
रात को करीब 8:15 बजे के आसपास में हमारे जो ये मोर्चों में ट्रूप्स लगे हुए हैं, उन्होंने एक मूवमेंट देखा जो बॉर्डर के उस पार से, उसको मॉनिटर किया। वो पहले बॉर्डर तक आया, उसके बाद उसने आईबी क्रॉस की, अंदर आया तो उसको ट्रूप्स ने चैलेंज किया, लेकिन वो एग्रेसिवली आगे की तरफ बढ़ा और एक दो बार और उसको चैलेंज करने के बाद भी अगर वो नहीं रुका तो उसके बाद ट्रूप्स ने फायर करके उसको न्यूट्रलाइज किया। ऐसा लगता है कि वो स्नीक इन करने की कोशिश थी और हो सकता है उसके पीछे और भी पाकिस्तान साइड में कोई लोग रहे हों।
BSF has foiled infiltration attempt in Samba sector. Yesterday late evening, they were able to neutralize one terror guide while he was trying to sneak into Samba sector from near area falling close to Rigal post. When this intruder's movement was spotted, immediately BSF personnel, they challenged him. But instead of stopping, he moved aggressively towards the fence. While he was coming towards the fence, that was the time when BSF opened fire, killing him on spot. This clearly indicates that he was looking for those gaps on the border from where they could push in terrorists into this side, because elections around the corner and Pakistan and Pak proxies are hell-bent to destabilize peace. We have seen that there have been several attempts where they are trying to push in terrorists, but so far they haven't succeeded. We saw that they killed one social welfare department employee in Rajouri sector. Then after that, one village defense guard was also killed in Basantgarh area. That was fresh infiltrated group that was seen to be moving in that area. Short while back, IG BSF said that they have already sent a message loud and clear that any kind of a movement on Indian side will not be tolerated. Whosoever will try to sneak in, he will be pinned down.